Galaxy Watch 6. If you're into fitness and wearables, then definitely this is something that you would want to look out for. So this year, on top of the regular Watch 6, Samsung will be coming out with a classic version of Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. I have it right here. So as you can see, it has that rotating display or rotating edge or bezel, whatever you call it. It allows you to navigate the interface on a screen without having to touch it, although you can always use the regular touchscreen display in order to interact with your device. There are two different sizes. You have the 40 millimeter, smallest that you can get. Then you have the much larger version, which has a 44 millimeter display. Now for the Classic, you have an additional 3 millimeters. So you have 43 millimeters for the smaller version, and you have the biggest version right here, which has a 47 millimeter display. So for those of you who are coming from Galaxy Watch 5, you now get much bigger display, better battery life, much smoother interactions. You also get a much brighter screen and smaller bezels and a much thinner display. So aside from your standard fitness trackers such as sleep monitor and your step counter, Galaxy Watch 6 also comes with biometric monitors or biomonitors that can check and monitor things such as your ECG, blood pressure, heart rate, blood oxygen. It can even detect if you fall. So for example, if for some reason you end up collapsing, losing consciousness, or something happens to you and you fall all of a sudden, then Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 has a way to detect that. And it is tightly integrated with the Galaxy ecosystem. So this is best used with your phone, preferably a Samsung Galaxy smartphone, for you to be able to maximize and get the best experience possible out of your wearable device and out of your mobile device as well. So Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 will be launching on July 26th. Watch out for the live stream launch at Galaxy Unpacked for the price reveal. In the meantime, if you have any questions, just drop them in the comment section below. For more tech videos like this, check out our YouTube channel, subscribe to Tech Kuya on YouTube, and I'll see you guys in the next video.